standing up with the sunroof down. I love you 'cause you showed me we can be infinite, and for that I tattoo the universe on me. So why can't I find peace with my own clarity? That is what I wanted, somebody to love me, somebody to tell me that they care. That is what I wanted, but now that I got it, I don't deserve it, so maybe let me go. When I've been beloved, I've been afraid to let my thoughts spill out. Maybe I'm all that I used to want to be. Boxes and packing tape, moving off to a different place. Couldn't teach me what it meant to love. Honestly, it just messed me up. Now I can't find peace, or where I'm meant to be. That is what I wanted, somebody to love me, somebody to tell me that they care. That is what I wanted, but now that I got it, don't deserve it, so maybe let me go. Oh, I'm scared to let you care for me, 'cause I can't let go easy. You make me feel so loved, so hurt, so beautiful in my own skin. It's still what I wanted, I'm afraid to accept it. I'm not used to being so damn loved. I may not be found yet, or safe in my own skin, finding space to breathe, but trust in me. I'm okay, or I'm trying, learning my way in the world so I can be on my own, but for now, don't leave. It's still what I wanted, I'm afraid to accept it. I'm not used to hearing I'm so